So we've got some fantastic chicken here in a tomato sauce with garlic. I'm not cooking this with onions today. Quite a few of you don't like onions, it seems. So I've done this without onions. It's really simple. It's beautiful with any sort of pasta. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get started with our chicken. Now I've got one whole chicken there, skin is on, bone is in, and I've cut it into nice big pieces. I've cut it into like 6 pieces, you know, so I've got a whole leg there, and cut the other breast like in half. Nice big and chunky. So that's a 1 kg chicken, which is 2.2 pounds. We're going to season it. I've got a 1/4 cup here of olive oil, in that goes. I've got a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, a tablespoon of chopped garlic, roughly chopped, and then I'm going to add thyme and paprika to mine. You can change that if you want, but yeah, teaspoon of thyme and a teaspoon of paprika. Now this paprika is a hot paprika. Be careful with paprika because you get 3 types generally. You get smoked, which is delicious. You get sweet, which is quite mild, and then you get hot, which is kind of like chili really. So just be careful with that. Okay, got my glove on. Gonna go in and just give this a little mix up. So skillet, pan, or this kind of wok type thing that I've got. Heat's on, I've just put it on now, medium heat. Simply, just get all of the chicken and all of the seasoning and the oil straight in. Let me just remove this glove. And yeah, medium heat. We're going to go for about 8 or 9 minutes. I'm going to be turning it every minute or so. Beautiful. So quite important that you have it on medium, otherwise you're just going to burn the outside and it'll be raw inside. But as you can see, beautiful, really beautiful. But what we're going to do now is we're going to add canned tomatoes. Now if you want, you can get onions in this. I'm cooking this today without onions, but if you want, get a cup of onions in there and fry them for like 4 minutes before you add your tomatoes. So I've got 2 regular size cans, 400 ml of tomatoes there, which were a plum tomato. And I just sort of crushed them up with my hand. So stay on the medium heat and let this go now for about another 8 or 9 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Just so you know what I'm talking about this size can, you know. I've got 2 of those in there. Okay, off goes the heat. Check that for salt and pepper. For me it's great. Job done. Let's serve that. Okay, and there you go. Just serve that on a plate. A little bit of parsley on the top. That is fantastic with some sort of pasta, some spaghetti or something like that. You can choose that, can't you? Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.